Hello friends, if you want to create your own tiny sealed world in a glass, then watch this video till the end. You will learn the process in an easy and fun way. So let's get started. There are many in the list, but I have kept few options because depending on the planter size and everything, you can decide. And it's up to you whether you want to keep it easy going, or maybe if you want to make something, I'll just wipe it and show you. So I have just made water and land this thing here. Maybe this has become a little messy because we keep carrying it here and there water. So ideally it is like, there is a house there and there is some,
This house.
any shape, any size, alright, and you can maintain it. So ideally for closed terrarium, we don't have a hole. Yeah. For open terrarium also many a times we use planters which does not have a hole. So what do you think? We can directly put the soil in this. Why? Any idea?
I guess that's the imitate the nature, so just have some stones probably.
Yes, so because many a times what will happen, we will overwater it, right? So the excess water needs to go and seep down, right? If there is directly soil, then it will go down inside.
Whole thing?
Yes, perfect. Try to make it even. Yeah, whether with a spoon, whether with your hand, or just by shaking. If you feel it is less, you can always add. But I think it's enough because good. Okay. Next, coming to the soil here is not good. You all also know that, right?
Mix it.
Yes, we'll have to mix it with your hand. Soil play, very, very important. That will keep your health good. Make your friends, family, everyone do that. Alright? So, this moss also we will add. And one very important thing is this one. This is activated charcoal. Okay? So, this activated charcoal is mainly for mix this also. Thank you. So this activated charcoal is mainly for the closed terrarium. It is very light and it will help your terrarium keep clean, and it will prevent the root rot. It's very good. I like it, ladies.
It's good.
I don't. Yeah, that's enough. Because we have to put the plants also. So.
Like this or a mold?
Yeah, and then with the hand you can just like this, you can press a bit. Yeah. And then some, this is also a variety of climbing fig. What we will do, so what you can see in closed terrarium, you can even just put some cuttings.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not that you have to put it with the roots.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so maybe this also we will cut a bit and we will put here and there. So why don't you choose your plants until then I'll get into this.
Muito senso. No vedere persone. Да, coś tam jest.
Then all these are, take it out and it will be like this. Okay. If you feel that it is not happening, you can even, do with that, yeah. This I think we'll do with the spoon and this thing. Maybe later moss and all we can put with the tongue.
Nice, this one.
Yes, yes, of course.
Hurt them. Come here.
It's okay, just in one go, you have to.
No, I'm not gonna hurt you. Where is he? Okay, one is there.
Yeah, just, yes, good.
The one, this one, big one. Okay, it's coming there.
Yeah.
Maybe they like my house now. Okay, I've got two here.
Yes, just shake it. Yeah.
So here, one more from here, the big one. Oh, it's a small one.
Yes. Say cheese.